I promise to love you with my whole heart, to be decided to your happiness till death to us apart. It does not matter what comes our way. It is your love till eternity in my heart. I love you just the way you are. You need not be anything more or less. I just want us to grow gold together. Nothing beats a journey with your arms in mine. Nothing beats a dinner with you or the other side of the table. I pray that life is kind to us, so we demonstrate our love for each other in an aesthetic manner. All of my promise to you in the sacred place I am willing to make come true under the brightness of the sun. I love you. By true love never dies. In my heart, you will live long as much as I live. If anything matters to me, certainly not more than you do. If anything matters to me, Shelley, not more than life with you. You are my word. I shall say it as long as I can breathe. You are my life. I shall love you as long as I can live. If you still do not know what this means, it only implies that love you. If I said you everything to me, it means you are the air that I breathe, the stars in my good, to light of my world, my hope of glory, my internal joy and peace. You are my all in all. So I ask that you journey this road with me. I am certain it will be free of pathology and disease cause. It is a road that has never been plied before, and it is a ride with you and me alone. I love you, baby. No matter how much wealth and glory I acquire to myself, if don't have your heart within mine, then I have lost the greatest of all desire. You are the reason why gold is of no value to me, cause if I had you, I have all. You still are the reason why diamond is of great treasure to me, 'cause I work hard to make sure I adorn such jewel on you. I love you, my only one, in this garden of love. May we procreate more seeds of love. May the fruits we bear blossom forever. May the ship that carries our love never sink nor capsize with the turbulence of life's storm. I love you. I love you.